another vlog or sit down video. So I'm just gonna be talking to you guys, and yeah, this is just a sit down video just to explain everything, and I think I can manage to explain it to you guys at this time. Medyo naka-move on na tayo ng konti lang. I did this video before and parang hindi ko siya kaya i-upload kasi very emotional ako dun. So, nakikita nyo naman sa title. And, ito na nga. Ito na yung story. I'll try not to cry. I'll try not to be so emotional sa video na to. Kaya nga, i-retake natin, diba? So, yeah. Anyway, let's get started. So, of course, as you guys know already, we are having a baby. Before 20 weeks, everything's okay. I feel fine. Everything's like into place. So, di ko akalain na in my 20 weeks may makikita silang anomalies sa bata. I did my first scan was 6 weeks. When I was 6 weeks. Pasensya na yung S ko, guys. Naka-Invisalign ako kasi matutulog na sana ako. Doon nakita yung heartbeat. And okay naman, wala naman silang nakitang problema. Kasi ano pa lang siya, parang super liit pa lang niya. Yung parang, kukun. Yun, ganun pa lang siya na may heartbeat na nagbibip-bip dun. Gumagalaw. So, ayun yung first scan. Second scan, akala ko, which is the 12-week scan. Pero sabi ng GP ko, hindi na kailangan. So, I was like, okay, hindi na kailangan mag 12-week scan. So, that's when I announced to you guys, when I was, I think, about 13 weeks. In-announce ko na sa socials ko na we are pregnant. And I posted the vlog as well sa YouTube. So, kasi wala namang problema. May heartbeat, okay naman yung baby. So, ayun. But, during the time na super ilang weeks ba na mag 20 weeks ako before mag 20 weeks. Diba ilang weeks din na wala akong balita sa bata, na kung okay pa ba siya, kung may heartbeat pa ba siya, and everything. So, parang doon na time, parang may mga iniisip na ako, like, okay pa ba tong baby na to? Okay pa ba siya? Kasi siyempre hindi mo pa malalaman, hindi mo pa ma-feel yung galaw kasi hindi pa siya magalaw that time. So, napapraning na din ako that time. Like, gusto ko na mag 20 weeks kasi yun yung next scan. So, dumating yung 20 weeks and I was praying na everything's okay. Diba, nag-vlog ako that time and nasa YouTube ko siya. I'll leave ko dito yung card. So, 20 weeks scan, I was so excited na medyo nag-alala din kung okay ba yung baby. And, ayun, chinek na nga. And, I was hoping na okay. But then, yung sinabi ko sa vlog ko, sa 20 weeks scan ko, na ang galaw-galaw ni baby. Active-active daw si baby. Yun naman sabi ng sonographer. So, akala ko okay naman ang lahat. But then, there was a time na nung pinalabas ako ng room, kasi hindi nga niya makita yung ibang parts kasi nga magalaw si baby. So, akala ko lang yun lang naman yung reason. Pero feeling ko yun naman talaga kasi tinatry niya makita yung paa, yung kamay. Hindi talaga niya makita kasi nakatago or magalaw siya. So, ayun, nakikita ko naman kasi sa harap ko, may monitor siya, guys. But then, nung nasa labas na ako while I was walking sa hallway nila, may pumasok na 2 sonographers doon sa room kung saan ako chinek, doon saan ako in-scan. Sabi ko, bakit may pumasok? Like, parang, ilan mo yung instinct natin. Bakit may pumasok doon? And bakit 2 sila? So, 3 na sila. Plus yung sa akin, nag-check, nag-scan. So, habang nag-walk ako, hindi ako mapakali kasi pabalik-balik ako sa hallway. Kailangan kasi mag-move yung position ni baby, like mag-change. And then, dumaan sila sa akin. So, parang nagkaganon. Silang 3 mismo. So, pumunta sila sa ibang room. So, sabi ko, bakit sila pupunta ng ibang room? Ang 3 sila, kasama yung nag-scan sa akin. Sabi ko, baka may itatanong or baka may ipapakita. And then, after nun, bumalik ulit sila dun sa hallway, pabalik dun sa scan room. Kung saan ako in-scan. And then, they closed the door, guys. So, sabi ko, I was like, sana okay ang lahat. Sana okay si baby. Sana walang problema. So, pero meron na ako sa feeling ko na baka may something wrong. Kaya kailangan niya ng second opinion, third opinion, or may kailangan siyang ipakita, diba? So, I was so worried. But, yung gusto ko talaga malaman nun was the gender. Kasi excited ako malaman yung gender. Gusto ko mag-gender reveal. But then, at the end na ng scan, sabi niya, sorry, I cannot see the gender kasi super active ni baby, super magalaw siya. So, ayun. Failed. Yun yung vlog natin ng 20 weeks na hindi ko nalaman yung gender. Pero okay lang naman sa akin. But, ayun na nga, kailangan ko mag another scan. After ng 20-week scan, hinintay ko yung result para malaman ko kung okay ba. So, after ng 20-week scan, 2 days later, meron akong booking for my GP's appointment naman. So, doon ni-explain sa akin ng GP kung kamusta yung result, kung okay yung result. Pero before that appointment, like the night after the 20-week scan, check ko yung account ko sa PRC. Kasi meron akong online account and nandun yung pictures ng mga scan. So, makikita mo yung picture ng baby doon. Yung, ano ba, yung black and white. So, chinek ko naman, kinumpare ko yung scan niya kay Mia. So, hanggang sa doon ko na guys, nakita na parang may something wrong. Kasi may graph sila eh. Yung sa head circumference, medyo nasa top siya. Ililive ko dito yung picture ng graph nila. So, para maintindihan nyo na-explain ko, diba? So, hindi siya nasa green na arrow, na line, nasa red siya. So, sabi ko, bakit nasa red siya? What does it mean? So, chinek ko yung head ni Mia, and chinek ko yung head niya. And sabi ko, ang super laki. Super laki ng head niya kasi nakalagay, 20 weeks ako nun, ang nakalagay dun sa size ng head circumference niya, size na ng 22 weeks. Sabi ko, bakit ganun? So, tinay ko i-search. Doon ako nag-start mag-research. Kung may feeling na talaga ako, sabi ko, hala, baka may problema yung ulo niya, yung size ng ulo niya, malaki. Tapos sinabi ko kay V, and wala naman siyang comment. So, ayun, tahimik lang naman siya. Pero sabi ko, parang may problema sa ulo niya kasi hindi nagsabi yung sonographer na the baby's great, the baby's healthy, or the baby's okay, everything's okay. Walang ganon. Yung parang walang assurance na okay yung bata. Kaya dun din ako mas lalo napraning or nagduda na may something na mali. Ayun, hanggang sa pagdating na sa GP ko, 2 days later, doon in-explain ng GP ko na, ayun nga, malaki yung ulo ni baby. Tapos, in-expect ko na kasi yun yung nakita ko sa graph. So, sabi ko, paano yun? Paano yun, Doc? Like, malaki yung ulo niya. And then, sabi niya, so we will see we will refer you sa hospital. And that hospital will give you more information, chu-chu-chu. So, that's when I was 22 weeks now. We went to the hospital. And that's when the doctor told me, ayun nga, mas lalong lumalaki yung ulo ni baby, and other than that, okay naman yung ibang parts ng body niya, just the head. So, ayun, meron nga po siyang severe ventriculomegaly. So, that means po, meron siyang fluid sa ulo niya, nag-enlarge na yung ventricles, brain ventricles niya, but then it's not draining properly. That's when nagsistay siya doon, and ayun, hanggang sa nag-stuck na yung fluid, hanggang sa lumaki hanggang sa nag-stretch na yung ulo niya. So, yun yung severe ventriculomegaly. And if ever may pressure din sa brain niya, that's what you call hydrocephalus. And ayun, meron siyang severe hydrocephalus, and 22 weeks na scan. Wala pa naman silang sinabi sa akin. They just tested. Na-vlog ko din yun, guys, but I didn't tell you guys the full details. So, they did a test. Chinek nila yung amniotic fluid ng baby. Kung ano yung cause, bakit nagkaganon yung cause ng hydrocephalus niya. And all negative. It came back all negative when I was 24 weeks. So, yun yung next scan namin. So, negative yung genetic, negative yung viral infection, negative yung microarray, hindi nila alam anong cause. So, unknown siya guys, unknown cause siya. And, ayun na nga, nung 24 weeks, we came back sa hospital. They did another ultrasound and that's when they told me na kung ano ba yung napag-usapan namin ni V, kung ano yung gagawin at plano namin. And hindi ko alam na option pala yung option yung pag-terminate ng pregnancy. Akala ko kasi, ayun, may magulo na dito sa room, guys. Ayan na siya. Ayan, sana tayo. Ayan, so I was saying na, so, ayun na nga, di ko alam na magiging option yung terminating the pregnancy. Akala ko kasi makakaya naman, or okay naman, na, ayun, mga anak ako, full term, and matitreat namin siya kasi may treatment naman. But, hindi guys, hindi na tayo dadating sa treatment. So, the doctor talked to us kung ano yung mga options na
Mommy, watch this. I get out of powers on you and I get eyes on you. Close eyes. And over here. Look here. Your face.
I'm frozen.
I'm gonna be hot. Hot. Hot.
Oh, yes, I'm not frozen anymore. Oh, I'm not frozen. Sige na, go na over there.
Mommy, open your eyes. This watch in the mirror and get out of power.
I'm frozen. I'm not frozen. Say hi. Hi, people.
Mommy, you're gonna get out of power, Mommy.
Your mommy's talking to the people, so I'll talk to you later na.
No,
I'll play with
Mommy.
you after, okay?
I'm gonna get
Wala.
out.
Wala na. Dito na siya. So, ayun na nga. So, the doctor talked to us and give us option kung i-terminate ba namin yung pregnancy or we will continue. So, if we will continue, guys, it will be hard for the baby, or of course, sabi nila, it's gonna be...
Mommy.
So, sabi nila, it's gonna be hard for the baby nga when, lumabas na. So, sabi niya, it's gonna be hard for the baby growing up. Kasi, of course, guys, because sa may treatment, yung neurological side naman, meron talaga siyang magiging problem. Like, he cannot
Mommy,
even
and you're not a
communicate.
hand? Give me you're not a hand.
Kahit walk daw, hindi daw siya. Kasi nga, severe
And
talaga.
here, put
Parang-
it in your head. Mommy, I will put this in your head. I will put this in your head, Mommy. This wait a minute in your head. Put it in your head. Done.
Okay. Parang
And
buwang na
you
tayo.
get out of power, Mommy, and me too.
Okay.
Mommy, not you, Mommy.
Can you just give me 5 minutes and I will play with you?
And someone's here.
Okay. Just 5
Someone's
minutes.
here, Mommy. Look, someone's here.
5 minutes.
Mommy, look, the bear's here, Mommy. He's walking.
Okay.
Yes, put eyes in
Yeah,
him.
just give me 5 minutes. I'll
Mommy,
talk to the
Mommy,
people and I'll come back.
Can put eyes on the bear and we do it together. Ready? Ready, set, go. He's crazy ready. He's
Okay, okay na. Okay, let mommy talk to people and I will play with you in a second. Just wait.
Okay.
And ayun, sabi ng doctor, madami siyang magiging problem neurologically kasi ayun nga, yung brain niya guys, it's not working and it's not growing kasi ang daming fluid. Bukod sa fluid, wala na talaga. Hindi na mag-grow yung brain niya doon. It's because of the fluid. And yeah, it's gonna be hard like looking at your child, in pain.
Mom, can I read the story for the baby? Mommy,
Okay, read the story to the baby. Excited pa naman siya guys sa kanyang baby brother. But what can we do? She normally reads stories sa baby
Once
brother
in
niya.
upon a
Ayan na.
time, once dinner part of time to watch the moon sleepy and he's
So,
coming his
we decided,
And then,
instead of,
She
you know,
wanna marry
letting him alive naman na
She
in pain,
want
we
your
just decided
money.
to terminate the pregnancy. So, meron na kaming schedule to do that. And there's gonna be a process to do that.
And then
And-
the lion told get his birthday today, and then Apple gonna get fall down next night, and there's the tree spiders today, and then once in a part of time, there was a frying clean with this dog, and then there was the doggy and the monkey riding the boat, and there's a mouse riding boat too with a doggy, and then there's sun and ceremony. And then they're playing outside, and it's too sunny today.
Do you understand naman, di ba?
Once in a part of
Naintindihan niyo ba yung binabasa niya,
The
guys? Nagbabasa siya.
wasp is making
Binabasahan niya yung
a
baby
cake,
brother
and
niya.
they're eating a cheese, and they're cleaning
So,
up
ayun, we have a schedule sa
the-
hospital already.
Cleaning up-
But first, before going to the process, guys, the panel sa hospital have to approve. Oopsie! Have to approve kung
It's spinning around,
kung
Mommy.
iterminate ba siya or hindi. So, today, we have received a call na na-approve daw ng panel. So, since approved na siya, guys, we need to do some paperwork na isa-sign. And, after nun, another schedule for the baby to stop the heartbeat. Yun yung pinakamahirap. Kasi, knowing na malaki na siya, kompleto na siya, pero doon pa lang siya, parang super heartless. Yun yung ayokong gawin, but then, wala tayong magagawa kasi nga, ayaw naman natin siyang pahirapan. It's also, sabi nila, it's a risk for me daw, na i-full term siya kasi nga malaki yung ulo niya and I need to do CS again. So, cesarean na naman tayo, guys. And it's a big risk for me. And there's gonna be a lot of blood loss daw. And
Mommy, isn't that
kailangan-
now when I turn on the fan?
yes, it's gonna be noisy for the people. Tinorn on niya yung fan natin. Ayan. So, ayun. And it's risk for my future pregnancy daw. So, ayun, guys. And sana maintindihan nyo yung decision namin. It's not easy for us, at it's not easy for me to open this to you guys. So, makita nyo lang yung previous vlog ko or previous video ko na inopen up ko siya. Iyak. Grabe yung iyak ko doon. Kaya sabi ko parang ang pangit. Iyak ako ng iyak. So, I'm just gonna, okay. So, sabi ko, I'm just gonna, Mommy's talking. Just wait. So, sabi ko, i-retake ko to kasi ang pangit. Ang pangit talaga. The baby's still in my tummy. He's still alive. He's kicking. Super active. And, yeah. We will be
Can
very,
I touch?
yeah, she loves touching it.
Wait for it, Mommy. It's not yet.
And when Mommy lay down, you can feel it later. Mommy's really full right now. Magsisink in na siguro sa amin when, ayun, the time comes na magsa-start na yung heartbeat niya and then I'm still carrying him, diba? Parang, it's so hard to think na you're carrying a dead baby in your tummy. But yeah, but life must go on and I hope this baby will look after us in heaven. And ayun, and I'm so thankful for my family and friends na nakaalam na nito, na very supportive sa decision namin and even visiting us here at home. Kaya may bisita kami kanina, they visited us, this family visited us. And yeah, try to comfort us. Ayun, so yeah, siguro this baby is not meant for us and maybe sa another life, magiging okay siya and sana dun siya sa, if ever bumalik siya sa amin. Sana maging okay na siya and healthy siya para hindi na siya maging in pain. Diba? So, ayun guys. Yeah, we'll update you na lang. So, ayun guys. I hope you guys understand. And, so yeah, yun lang yung vlog natin guys. And, sana na-explain ko siya ng maayos sa inyo. Yeah, I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye! Say bye, Mia! Nag-blow kiss. Bye! Again! Oh, blow kiss!
Mommy, can you play with me now?
Yes! Kanina pa siya naghihintay sa akin.
Mommy,
I will play with you now. Let's go play. Put this one back.
Okay.
Tingnan nyo ginawa niya. Sabi niya, Mami, the bear is looking at you. Tingnan niya lang pinagagawa.
Mommy, this.
And anyway, ito pala yung ating bump. Ayan. Ang laki niya na guys, no? So, last na makikita nyo to. Hindi ko alam kung last na to, but ayan yung recent bump natin. Ayan. So, we are now 25 weeks and 5 days. 6 days. Tama? 5 days. Tama. Yeah. Ayan. So, ang laki niya kasi busog na busog ako. Super big siya compared kay Mia sa gestational age niya.